Me have AC. Me have AC. Me have. Yeah, me have heater. When I go bathe, my bathe with hot water. Yeah. When I go bathe, my bathe with hot water. Ask my friend them. Somebody say I lie. Baby girl, ask anybody. Yeah, ask anybody in the community. Yeah, Brighty. You think me live like Rosalie? All your mind tell us me live like Rosalie. I'm bathing in hot water in the summer. Yeah, I'm sleeping in AC in the winter. Garbage bag, you have to go in the back go look, cause my buy. Yeah, come on buy it. Nobody not take you because nobody know want you around there. They want me. Yeah, we buy a case. Oh, somebody say lie me I tell. Yeah. Me never tell lie, baby girl. Me not have to tell lies. I don't have to tell lies for vanity. That's why I not move around, I move along. Yeah. Unblock me please, go suck your mother. Alton. Alan. Yeah. If you only me not have to tell them, I not live like Rosalie. I not live like Rosalie people. You're mad? I show me not talk. I'm alright, you know, so I'm telling you every day, say God bless me. And you don't believe me. Yeah. I bathe in hot water and sleep in the AC. Hot water in the summer, AC in the winter. I'm not ask you. I'm going to have heater from a fireplace. I have a fireplace. I'm not even, oh my God, I'm so foreign. We not sweat and melt like Rosalie. We are sweat and freeze after. Now ask you, we catch back with liquid. When I make it run. And forgot that when I turn on the fire, the fire is fell away. Yeah. I have everything. No. Only a little bit of water out of here. Only a little bit of water out of bag. Only think me I live like Cheesy Blase and Rosalie. You're mad? You must have murdered. Yeah? Not live like them. Not living like them, my love. When the breeze blow upon me and blow the dirt, I'm going to use the warm water for just, you know, chicken foot my body. Strip my body. Strip my body. Strip it.
Power on.
Yeah.
Your speaker is ready to pay.
When I'm mad. Hi! Yeah, tell them I'm relevant for me come out. From my house, you're mad, eh? Why do you think we can laugh and go on so? Hey, 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 hey. Mike. My God, one black collie. Rosalie, Olivia say for sing. Down by the river, where I need to wash my sheet and clothes. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. So me not understand. So Rosalie, this is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Then as you come in after your sleep, what wrong with you then? Doctor diagnose your room.
Yeah.
I pick on the people as soon as work time. Magana rehearsal. Rosalie, you see people come and sweep my yard? This is how we have the broom effect in your hand. Yeah man, you need a Harry Potter in your hand, Rosalie. Harry Potter. You need a broom, Suck body, Rosalie. Rosalie, that suck body. And you suck body in a group like choir.
When God come, Rosalie eat you, no?
Me know she will eat me. Me no mind Rosalie eat me. Because Rosalie fat so till all her mouth a cave in. Yeah, you know see pana. Then you know see Rosalie uncle not talk about Rosalie fat. I just up here saw Rosalie, all her youth them, which she have in her back fat. I pay a big money have in your back. You know say Rosalie back alone fat? Only gonna can't hear like came on a bad signal. Like Rosalie organs them the behind her in her back. Rosalie, I'm not done with you. You think me ready for done with you yet, Rosalie?
The organ then confused.
The harder they come, the yeah, me I charge my phone now. Bye girls. Love Uno. Later. Yeah. Rosalie, me just talk to my friend about clean them house. I'm going to take everybody right. Yeah, see how they on the line. The harder they fall, one and all. Yeah. Yeah. Me can't hear nobody pan this like my phone turned on.
Hey, Ashley, my make him cuss now. Ashley.
Oi, 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 oi.
Ashley, take out the match.
What Ashley said?
Which
Accept the
Ashley?
match,
Which
Shabada.
one? Which Ashley Sabada?
Are you named Ashley?
We're both named Ashley.
Eh?
We're both named Ashley.
Where you say out of your mouth, you.
Anami. I just saw it.
Mr. If you accept the match of that, Mr. Shibada.
When me accept match ago, me can't even
Accept now.
Shibada, come in, Shibada. Accept him, man.
Come in.
How that? That sound like ghetto girlie. I feel that. How that?
Ashley. Come in, good girl. Accept the match.
One match me a play. Come in and like play with strangers.
All right.
Come on my side. I think we can do something. I don't know what we can do.
Come in on the top of the screen.
Come in.
How about this? Come on the side.
Ashley.
Side, we gotta get this PW and we gotta go further in life.
Ashley.
Yeah.
Gotta go further in life. Oh yeah.
My head hot, me. Whoa.
I don't know all them match they play now. And them stuff. Me need to repeat. Me I play match. Me can't do so much stuff, my love. Think that by itself. Then I've got this thing. Come on, people. Come on to the radio. You must sing, you must sing.
Come in, 6 roses, my side.
Come in, my side. We just 6 roses. Come.
All right, Pin.
When I'm a little bit loud, when I get no give. You're not loud, you're not happy. You can't go in and not church, you know, on a bad.
I can't like you, man.
Savannah, in Jesus' name.
You're loud, man, but you don't have no gift. Then you here. You here. For the moment, you the rubbish pan, can you put them have no GPS? Hey! Gift time, show in the gift time. And when I say show in the gift, I mean show in. Hey, on the tax return, my man, tax return. Calling for all tax return. To Mama
Bombas, Clark. Ashley.
Appreciate it, kid.
We are lead. We are with
Stop killing teeth. You over there killing teeth. Yes, why?
return. Showing the gifts them. Show them in. All of those that they done this song.
What does that have to do with so bad?
We're not doing the Sabbath.
What does that have to do with so bad?
But your next friend down here son have no smoke. Anything smoke. You read the money I got split between me and him.
No, I pay money.
Oh, then I can't go and play with him. Then I think he might get shot. I mean, now let me that's happy with something for him. One money. One night money. No, say I'm just happy son and I get nothing. Yeah, me now.
But you tell me they love you bad from long time. I don't just know I love you.
Me love me long time. Let me across the hey girl. What you do with that? Hey girl, me class, you know. You never tell me say you love me. I'm a man, you're just saying I'm class. I'm the worst thing. Oh, you love me.
Me not laugh me, that hurt me. Me can't laugh me, that hurt me.
Where you call to my phone? You see me a constant spring. Yes. The match done yet?
No, 1 minute we have left.
Hold on. People not have no more gift for 1 minute. You not have one. Oh Lord, Maya have 1 minute of gift. Thank you, Maya. Maya, thank you so very much. Oh Jesus, my phone go down. Well on the people. Right in the match. Right in the match. Rosie, interrupting me. Come on now, Shibi. There we go. There we go. Come on now. And we're going down. I mean, I want you for the right thing, me I do. Me not there for the right or the wrong thing, but I'm doing something. You go. Oh, she go. Oh, I go. We go. Why? We gotta get this. I don't want to lose this one. Come on, Pete. Come on, come on. And there is now, some see them do it. Me don't know how to do it. Some see them do it.
You watch that now, Shibi.
I come there.
Right there, so.
But Ashley, I screen recording this now, you know, Ashley.
Better be recording your phone. With the ass, bro.
Hear you. You over here kin your teeth, and me I get up on the road, so you kin your teeth.
But man, the apple of